everyone. Welcome to the Mom and Daughter channel. I'm Keish.
I'm Ellie.
So,
we want a giveaway.
We want a BoxyCharm giveaway from JessMarieMakeupArtistry. She does have her own channel. We're going to link it down below. She does BoxyCharm. She does amazing makeup looks. And with the October and November BoxyCharm, she does looks from the BoxyCharm, which is really neat. I like that. That's kind of what caught my eye to her channel. Because I was thinking about getting BoxyCharm, but I like to watch people and their opinions on it first. But, anyway, so thank you so much. We were both excited. And
yeah, we almost found it at the same time.
We found out at the same time, and she was in her room, I was in here. So, thank you. So, before we do a look with this BoxyCharm, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Click that bell.
Click that bell.
Okay, so I put my foundation powder on. I did my brows, and you know what, you guys? This thing in the BoxyCharm,
pretty good,
is amazing, and it matches my eyebrows perfectly. I actually really like this. Yeah, I actually really like this. Anyway, but this is, I like this. This might be my new favorite, and the brush on it, which is kind of weird, but it worked. It worked.
She really liked it.
I really did like that. Okay, and the BoxyCharm came with leave-in conditioner, which is amazing for her. And actually, you were talking about staticky hair. You might want to put this in your hair in the morning.
Thank you.
That stuff kind of helps. Moisturizer usually always helps with that.
And then we got
mascara. Mascara. I'm excited to try this out. A Kat Von D.
That was like very dark.
Lip gloss, very dark. But I tried it yesterday and I actually liked it. But the color's a little dark, but we can do something with it.
I hope it's not that dark.
We get the Pure palette. So that's what we're going to work on today. Ellie, I'm going to teach her a little bit about eyeshadow. She's going to follow me.
I need my brush.
We're just going to use the colors out of here.
All of them?
No. We're going to keep it simple, 2 or 3, because I'm trying to teach her eyeshadow. Because she's always trying to do it, and so, for one, you want to pick a smaller, dense brush, like that for your eye. Pick this one for my eye, and we're going to go in, should we do blues?
Sure.
There's so many blues in this palette. We're going to take the lighter shade blue, tad bit, and what you're going to do is, no, look down like this. Look down into the mirror. Do not close your eyes. See how my eye is open? Go like this.
I can't do that. Quiet moment.
There you go. And this is more, this is like a shimmer. This like is not blue at all. Use the same brush.
Okay. Let's do that blue. No.
Which blue?
The blue.
We'll use that one on the lid. Take this one.
That's black.
No, it's not. And take it. Start on the outer corner.
It's called 12 a.m.
And go in.
I don't get it. I don't get it. I can't see.
Okay, watch me on the other eye. Ready?
Well, it's like the same thing. We just did. Okay.
Just start on the outside. You want the outside.
I don't know what the outside is.
This is the outside. You want it a little bit darker, but in the crease. Make sure you're not putting it on your whole eye.
Like this.
Yeah, but make sure you blend it in. See, look in the camera. She is so much paler than me. So everything always pops. It seems like everything always pops out way more on her than it does me. Like everything. Once we hit 500 subscribers.
This is going to be soon.
I was thinking $100 and a $50, but then I recently thought I could do $350 giveaways. That's
Sure.
up to you guys. But if we get there, if we get to 500, yeah.
So subscribe.
And you have to be subscribed.
And leave a comment when you're done.
But that's when we get 500. That's when we're gonna start. Okay, let me see your eyes. Actually, that looks really good. Right now, we just have the 2 colors in the crease.
That's what my eyes look like.
Close them. Yeah, hers it really pops.
So,
Okay, so now we're gonna take the final color. So you see how we kind of put 2 shades in the crease? You always want to pick something that's similar colors. What are you doing?
We could have put another color on.
No, now.
That's my brush.
And I'm taking it. I'm not using that.
Yes, I am.
We're using something like this, which I didn't even grab mine.
Ooh, there's 2 ends.
You want to grab this blue that we were talking about.
Use this side.
Showtime. Put it on one side. She usually doubles and does all kinds of stuff. And just put it, you just watch me. Just like this. Just on this part. Because you know what she usually does? She usually holds her whole eye down and does it.
Like that?
Yeah. So this is a good lesson for her. She really likes to do makeup. So this is the blue. Okay, so now you kind of want to take your small brush. Was that one mine?
No.
You kind of take whatever one, pick one, and just kind of go back in the crease.
Whatever I want?
Sometimes you want to darken up the crease.
Can I use the same one I was using first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes you want to darken it. Sometimes I like to keep it. Sometimes I don't like to go back in and darken it. I'll take like a neutral shade and go back in just to kind of blend everything out. Because I'm not usually ever into really a dark, crazy look. Looks good. Actually, it looks really good. Now you want to take something and probably put it in the inner corner. So.
Can I use a pink thing right there? It's 2 a.m. again.
Well, you want in the inner corner, like you can take a purple.
Oh, yes, that's what I was going to use.
And put it right here.
Like where? I need more skin.
And look at me. She has a lot of fallout, and I think it's because she's so pale. Because I did not get that much fallout, unless she was really digging in it. And now underneath, Ellie, if you want, where's the big fluffy brush? This one ain't the big fluffy brush, but anyway, clean up under.
How'd you? Give me that brush. Give me the brush.
You would take, like, this one's too big to use. But take this color again.
Like this one be good.
And go underneath lightly.
Like lightly? It's like a 4th of July look, because the blue and their pink could be the red. I don't want to.
Okay, so that completes the eyes. But I did get this. I want to try this out real quick.
Me too.
You don't need to put this on today.
I want to.
Go get a makeup wipe and clean up under your eyes. You got too much down there. I don't know if this dark lip goes with the look, but these eyeshadows actually aren't bad. It came with 4 blushes. I'm kind of feeling Enchantment. And also, I didn't say what we put. Exposed and 12 a.m. in the crease. We took Showtime, put it all over the eyelid. And then we took Disguise and put that in the inner corner. Now I'm taking Enchantment on my cheeks. She always picks the brightest, boldest everything.
Let me see.
Does it look good? Probably. This color isn't bad if you have a good smoky eye. Oh my gosh, she's putting mascara on. Do I look beautiful?
Do I look good?
But I like, I actually really like this. I've never owned one of Kat Von D's. It's actually very good. And it, dries. I love matte, dry lipsticks.
No, that's not good.
Okay. So this is the finished look. You're not even doing anything.
I don't like my lipstick.
You wanted it on.
Well, it's all messed up.
It's gonna, okay, let me say this. That's the only thing, you're not putting no more on. The thing about dark, matte, or I guess any kind of dark lipstick that I've personally used.
It's not coming off.
It's very hard to get off, and it's very dark, so if you put it in a certain spot, you can definitely see it. So,
like this.
Like, and you got pale skin like her.
It pops up.
But, I do like this lipstick. This is actually, I actually like this. I love the wand on it. My lashes, though, it does the...
I like my
I think
eyes.
it's supposed to be make them longer, or
I like my eyes better than...
do something, but it's the same as my Voluminous Water, or L'Oreal Paris. So, these are pretty, in my opinion, similar right now as I notice. Brow stuff, amazing, and it matches. That's amazing. This isn't bad.
I got it off.
Not my favorite, but not bad. And she likes anything, so she will take it. So
I got it off.
that completes the challenge. This is the look.
Except I don't have the lipstick on, so here's the look.
Okay, here's her eye
Without the
look.
lipstick.
Her eye look compared to mine.
Whose is better? Is yours better or mine better?
I don't know. Okay, sit down.
This is
So,
the twin.
thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.
Bye.